My name is Dan Callahan, and we're the Callahan family. We're from Mahopac, New York, and we're in Washington because we're looking for better health care reform for children.
Sean was diagnosed with a very rare form of cancer when he was 26 months old, and we were treated at our local children's hospital, the Maria Ferrari Children's Hospital. And for the past 4 years, we've been involved with them, treating him and now off of his treatment to help them out in any way that we can.
We've gone through it. We know the story. We have our own story to share. We know, because we've gone through it, the obstacles that we've had to overcome to get Sean to where he is. We've gone up against insurance companies. We know what's out there and all the denials people get. And we think we could help other families that are about to go through that process and maybe make their road a lot easier than ours was. All children need health care coverage, and it needs to be comprehensive, and it needs to be fair for all different children. And it shouldn't matter the type of health plan you have. It shouldn't matter where you come from. You know, all these children need a fair shot. They all need a level playing field. And we're here to meet with our congressmen and our senators because they need to hear our story. They need to pass legislation that's fair for everybody. You know, we've gone through it. We've gone through the rocky road. We know what it's like. And maybe by talking to our senators and our congressmen, they'll pass legislation to make the road much easier for the families that follow us.
Our message to Congress would be the importance of children's hospitals and to support children's hospitals and the doctors who work there, because children are not mini adults and they need very special hospitals to take care of them and the families while they're being treated. And that would be my biggest message for them.